Let's do a quick unboxing of the Tozo T10 wireless earbuds. As you can see, there's the packages there. Very similar to normal Tozo earbuds. And there's the different earbud types on the back there. And there's a bit more about what it comes through. So stereo sound quality, faster wireless charging, touch control, ANC noise cancellation, core noise cancellation, and compatible with Tozo apps. So let's pop open and have a look in the box. And you've also got the full review, guys can see if you want to click on it. So here is what comes in it. So there's a bit about the instruction guide, how to set it up, Bluetooth pairing, and how to actually use the earbuds to change songs. There's the another quick start guide, user manual. And here's the earbuds too. So you've got different ear tips, which is quite good for budget earbuds. So you've got the Tozo actual case here. Let's have a closer look. So there are the earbuds just there. Now the case is actually quite big compared to other ones I've reviewed. You can see there it is compared to the size of my hand. And there's the earbuds themselves. So you can see there the earbuds there with the left and right control on there. And you can control them by pressing the earbuds there. As you can see there are. So the earbud design, they fit in your ear. I do like how they've got different ear tips you can use. You've also got ANC noise cancellation through the microphones just in there. Let's go back and look at the actual case itself. So here it is here. So kind of nice, straightforward packaging, USB-C charging cable. And again, pop these back in here. You've also got the USB-C charging cable here as well. And a little strap too, which is quite good if you want to go and strap them around your head. I haven't actually seen that with earbuds generally. And a bit about how to use them just there. Now these are IPX8 waterproof rated as well. They've got 55 hours of battery life too, so 15 hours single charge, another 40 hours with the battery too. Now it says here it's got 8mm drivers in place and 2.0 acoustics in them as well, so which are quite good. And you've also got 16 EQ settings with these headphones as well. So for a budget pair of earbuds, they do seem to come with a number of different features which you wouldn't normally get. So there they are just there, but yeah, I do like the look of them. They're quite good for a budget set of earbuds. You also got the charging light there as well, which I think is really, really handy, and held magnetically too. So Tozo T10.